Let's take one example on n-channel JFET. For a n-channel JFET, if IDSS is equal to 8 mA and Vp is minus 5 volt, calculate ID at VGS equal to minus 3 volt and VGS at ID equal to 3 mA. We know that for n-channel JFET, the drain current is given by the equation ID is equal to IDSS 1 minus VGS by Vp whole square. First we will calculate ID at VGS equal to minus 3 volt. So given VGS equal to minus 3 volt and Vp is equal to minus 5 volt and IDSS is equal to 8 milliamp. We will calculate ID. Therefore ID equal to IDSS, which is 8 into 10 raised to minus 3, 1 minus, here VGS is minus 3 volt, that is minus 3 divided by Vp is minus 5 whole square. So we can simplify this further as ID is equal to 8 into 10 raised to minus 3. So minus minus will get cancelled, will get 1 minus 3 by 5 whole square. We'll solve it. So here it is 1 minus 3 by 5, that is 1 minus 3 by 5 square, that is 4 by 25 into 8 milliamps. It gives 1.28 milliamps. Therefore ID is equal to 1.28 milliamps. So this is the drain current, that is the first case. Now let's calculate the second case, that is VGS at ID equal to 3 milliamp. So now we'll take case 2 where ID value given is 3 milliamp, IDSS is 8 milliamp and Vp is minus 5 volt. We know that ID is equal to IDSS in bracket 1 minus VGS by Vp whole square. Now from this expression we try to get the expression for VGS, because we supposed to calculate VGS value. Therefore now I'll simplify this as ID divided by IDSS is equal to 1 minus VGS by Vp whole square. Now while squaring on both sides, it gives ID by IDSS is equal to 1 minus VGS by Vp whole square. I'll remove this square. So now I'll take VGS by Vp on left hand side. I can write VGS by Vp is equal to 1 minus under root ID by IDSS. So therefore now I will substitute, I'll take this Vp on other side. VGS equal to Vp in bracket 1 minus under root ID by IDSS. So we'll substitute the values now. Therefore VGS is equal to, Vp value is minus 5, 1 minus under root ID value is 3 milliamp, that is 3, IDSS is 8 milliamp. Now we'll simplify this. that is 3 by 8. Square root of that, it gives 0.612. 1 minus this answer, which will be multiplied with 5, it gives minus 1.9381 volts. So this is required gate to source voltage VGS, which is 1.9381. Thank you for watching.